Hey guys, my name's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So today what I thought we'd make is another interesting and creative topping to put on toast as well. So it's kind of a spin-off of the typical avocado and feta toast that I absolutely love. That's literally how I learned how to eat avocado. Yeah, so basically what I'm going to do is I've toasted some multigrain toast and I've got all my ingredients here and I'm going to put it all together and show you guys how I do it. So let's get straight into the video.